Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix installed apps not showing on home screen issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this icon, search icon, and search One UI Home. Now open this app and go to the storage of One UI Home, and here click on clear data and then again click on delete to confirm. So when you click on delete, it will delete the app data and the apps will start showing on home screen. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.